Hello, Dr. Cooper and Class 505. I'm Jess Budzak, and there are three things that I think I bring to the table for this class. I have a lot of community organization skills. I am the community supervisor where I work. I've been in the drug and alcohol profession for almost 20 years now, and one of our programs that we have to do is a lot of community work. So I've made many contacts in the field with community outreach. So I believe that is one thing that I bring to the table for this class. I have done some individual work with adolescents through our SBBH. So the individual work is one of my things that I love to do the best. I would love to learn more about the group work. I've never really been in a group situation working with adults or children. This past summer, I got the opportunity to do a lot of prevention work with groups, but not on the realm of treatment side. So I am really looking forward to learning a little bit more about discussing with groups on the treatment realm of that. And for me, one of the things that I miss doing is just sitting down and relaxing. I also got involved in refurbishing furniture before I started my master's. So I really miss that. That was my thing that I love to do the most. It was a time where I could just shut my brain off and put myself into any type of furniture that I would find that needed some love and care. So I do miss that because I just don't have the time for it. My favorite food, Dr. Cooper, you kind of took mine with your Thanksgiving dinner. I absolutely love Thanksgiving dinner. It's one of my favorite things to do, to cook. I loved it even more a couple of years ago when my grandmother taught me where our family recipe came from for stuffing. She said that it was her very first meal that she ever made as a newlywed for my grandfather's brother and new wife. So she found it in a Good Housekeeping magazine, and the recipe stayed with us ever since. So I believe that was back in the early 50s. So that's how old the recipe is, and I absolutely love it. So Thanksgiving has to be my favorite, all-time favorite meal. Regardless of what I'm eating on a daily basis, I can never get enough of my Thanksgiving meal. And that's just a little tidbit of me and what I bring to the table when it comes to this class. And I hope to learn a whole heck of a lot more. And everyone have a great time and good luck to everybody. Thank you and have a nice day.